Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Bytes, brought to you by MASSP. My name is Ryan Casey, and today I'm going to be showing you some quick and easy hacks for using images and videos in your PowerPoint presentations. These tricks will help beef up your presentation game, whether you're an administrator or a teacher, and can be utilized in Keynote and Google Slides as well. We're going to focus on how to add animated GIFs, easily removing backgrounds from images, and using digital timers. So let's check it out. First up, we're going to focus on using images in your presentations. And the first trick I want to show you is how to add an animated GIF. That's GIF. You can pronounce it GIF or GIF. That'll probably go down as the most important debate in millennial mankind, I'm sure. But regardless, it takes basically a video clip and it slices that down into hundreds of different images. And then it blends them together into an image file so it looks like it's an animated video on your screen. The nice part about it is they're really small in file size, so they're easy to use, easy to load. And they really are just fun to use. Your students will love it. Your audience will like it. Your teachers, whoever you're trying to impress in your presentation. So to use that, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a website that's called Giphy. That's GIPHY.com. And basically, you can just search for one of these animated clips here. So I am excited to show you how this works. So I'm going to type that in. You do got to be careful on this website. They might show you there could be some inappropriate type of images you might find, at least based on the language. So you do got to be a little careful. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. And I'm just going to click on it. And you can get links to use on social media because that's where you see this a lot. But in this case, for PowerPoint, I'm going to go ahead and right click and I'm going to choose Save Image As. And I'm just going to give it a name. It's going to download it. You can see it as a GIF image. So I hit Save. And it's now been saved. So if I switch back to PowerPoint, all I have to do now is go to Insert Picture, Picture from File, and this becomes an object that I can, drag around and whatnot. Now it's not moving right now because I actually have to be in presentation view. So if I move over to the slide, and now you can see it's animated, and there's hundreds, thousands of these out there. They're really fun and cool, so try it out the next time you give a presentation. So the next image hack I want to show you for your PowerPoint presentation is courtesy of a website called remove.bg. And basically, as you can see on my screen, it's going to remove the background from an image in one click. Super easy. So I'm going to select my photo. A photo of me around here somewhere. So there's my photo. I want to get rid of that background. I hit open. You can see it's processing. It shows me what it looks like without. I can now hit download. And if I switch over to PowerPoint now, again, same process as before. I'm going to insert a picture from File. Make it a little bigger. So it's kind of cool. You can see the background is now gone. So if you're used to having those white square backgrounds, I know PowerPoint has some tools to get rid of it, but it takes a lot of work to get it done. That was really easy. One click, gets rid of it, and it adds a really cool design element to your slides that you can make it more visually appealing. So pretty cool trick, remove.bg. So now we're going to switch gears and talk about how you can use videos with your presentations. Specifically, how to insert a digital timer to help you facilitate some instruction. So whether you're working with teachers or teachers who are working with students, let's say you want to give them a 5 or 10 minute activity, you can use a digital timer embedded on your slide to help give a visual cue to the learners. So right now you can see I'm on YouTube and I simply looked up, and there's thousands of them, 5-minute timer. And some have animation to them and it'll count down. Others will have some sort of music or sound effect when it's done. So you can go through those. Let's see, I like this one, so I'm going to click on it. I can see what it looks like. Looks like it has a little music. I'm going to go ahead and just copy the link. And now I'm going to switch back to PowerPoint. Insert, and instead of picture, this time I'm going to choose video. And it might look a little different on Keynote or Google Slides, but basically we want to insert an online movie or a movie that will allow us to use a link. You can see it wants the URL, so I'm just going to paste that in. I hit insert, and there it is. And just like other objects, I can drag, resize, make it smaller, whatnot. And so now when I go to play my slide, I can give a nice visual aid to my learners to let them know how much time we have left with a certain activity. And this is a great way to keep your lesson on pace or keep your activity on pace. And it's easy for the learners to know when their time should be up on their activity. And that is how you insert a digital timer. Well, that will do it for this edition of Tech Bytes. Hopefully next time you have a presentation you're going to give or facilitate, you can use some of these hacks to spruce up your images and videos. Again, we covered animated GIFs from jiffy.com, how to remove backgrounds from remove.bg, and finally, using digital timers from YouTube embedded on your presentation. Again, if you want to check out more of these Tech Bytes, you can see the new MASSP website, which is massp.com. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.